This is the Hitbox HBT250P AC/DC TIG and stick welder. And I'm going to show the control panel and navigating the functions. Here you have your TIG, MMA, AC and DC. I'm not sure if this actually works on AC for stick. Switch this back to TIG. There's your pulse on, off, 2T, 4T. And to toggle through the selections, you press the menu button. There's your gas pre-flow in seconds. Starting amps. This machine starts at 10 and goes up to 180. So that's the lowest it will go on the amp setting. Upslope in seconds. There's your main amp setting. Like I said, this goes down to 10 and it tops out at 180. There's your AC frequency. Goes down to 40, I believe, and it tops out at 200. AC balance starts at 20 and goes up to 70. Downslope in seconds. Finish amps. Like I said, the lowest you can go is 10, and then it goes up to 180. There's your gas post flow in seconds. This is the Hitbox HBT250P.